Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a topic that's both crucial and often overlooked: protecting your plants from insect problems, especially in the unique conditions of East Texas. Now, you might be thinking, insects? Isn't that just a bunch of tiny bugs that can't possibly cause much damage? Well, my friends, think again. These tiny creatures can wreak havoc on your beloved plants, and it's our job to be proactive in safeguarding our green spaces. First things first, let's talk about the signs you should watch out for. Imagine you've spent countless hours nurturing a beautiful garden, and suddenly, you notice a swarm of white flies buzzing around. Or, even worse, you spot holes in your plant's leaves. These are clear indicators of an insect problem. But here's the catch: sometimes, the signs are more subtle. For instance, if you see animals digging around your plants, it could mean maggots or other pests lurking beneath the surface. So, stay vigilant and keep an eye out for these telltale signs. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all insects are created equal. While some bugs can cause significant damage, others are actually beneficial. Take ladybugs and praying mantises, for example. These little guys are like the superheroes of the insect world, helping to keep your garden healthy. Ken Davis, a Longview Arboretum gardener, emphasizes the importance of these pollinators, saying, "Without pollinators, we wouldn't have any food." So, when in doubt, remember that not all insects are your enemies. But how do you know which insects to watch out for? Well, that's where some clever tricks come into play. Ken suggests a simple yet effective method: shake your plant over a piece of white paper. If you see red streaks, you've got spider mites. It's like a bug-catching game, but with science. And remember, insects often target leaves over blooms, so a slightly rough-looking plant doesn't necessarily mean it's a goner. Now, let's talk about the importance of hydration. Yes, keeping your plants hydrated is a simple yet powerful tip. Healthy plants are harder to take down, so make sure they're getting enough water. It's like giving them a fighting chance. But here's the twist: while hydration is essential, it's not a silver bullet. Insects can still find ways to wreak havoc, so stay alert and be prepared. In conclusion, protecting your plants from insect problems is a delicate balance of knowledge, observation, and a bit of luck. By keeping an eye out for signs, understanding the good from the bad, and giving your plants the care they need, you can ensure your garden thrives. So, the next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the tiny battles being fought in your garden. Happy gardening, and stay tuned for more gardening tips and tricks.